We'll guide you through how to make TikTok videos private. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, come to your profile by clicking on it in the bottom right. So you may have gone and posted a video on TikTok, which you don't want other people to go and see, but you don't want to go and have to delete. What you need to do is go and find the video that you want to do this with. In this case, I'll do it with this video here. Then all you need to do is go over to the right and go down on the side, and you should go and see 3 dots. You need to go and click there. Once you've done that, go down to the bottom of these rows and scroll along and find the option for privacy settings, and you can then click there. Then what you can do is choose who can watch this video, and what you can do is go and set it to only you. As you can see, it's now changed. You can close off this and go back. If you then go and look, it will go and be removed from the main profile page, as you can see. You can find it by clicking on the padlock icon just to the right of the feed button. And as you can see, there it is.